The adage of having the right tool for the job is as true today as it was in the past, which is why Hydra-Stop created user-friendly installation tools that allow for quick, accurate installations of the 4 through 12-inch Insta-Valve 250. These products include the quick pressure test plugs for efficient pressure tests that decrease installation time by up to 25%. The alignment gauge kit to eliminate guesswork and measuring for reliable valve insertions every time. And auto equalization to allow for a safer, faster valve cartridge installation without the need for external equalization equipment. These first-rate installation aids provide Insta-Valve 250 installers with tools for repeatable, safe, and trouble-free valve insertion installations. For more information about Hydra-Stop's installation tools and the rest of Hydra-Stop's solutions for control, visit our website at www.hydra-stop.com or contact Inside Sales at 708-389-5111 or toll free at 800-538-7867.